Hello everybody, I welcome you all in Study Funda. Guys, in today's video, we'll discuss about the part 4 of our top 100 current affair MCQ series for CDS2 2021 and ND2 2021 examination. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the important sports event from your June 2021 to your September 2021, in which we'll mainly focus on Wimbledon, Grand Prix, and other tennis events from where you can directly see some questions in your previous examinations as well. So in this video, we'll cover question number 51 to 58. So let's begin. So first of all, I want to show you some previous year questions which came in your previous CDS examinations. Like this question came in CDS to 2014, right? Novak Djokovic, who won the medal in Wimbledon Tennis Open Tournament in 2014, is from which country? So basically, players' names are very important, but also from which country they belong to is also very important. Okay, so the next question is who won the Wimbledon 2011 men's single title? So this was a question asked in 2012, right? Next question, these are the two questions directly came from Wimbledon only in 2009 CDS, which is your question number 97 and 98. Who among the following is the first man to win the French Open and the Wimbledon singles title back to back, and who among the following had won the Wimbledon women's single title 2008? Okay, so let's begin with the Wimbledon 2021. Okay, and we'll mainly focus on the important things which you need to know about Wimbledon 2021, and in the last of this video we'll discuss about some MCQs. Okay, and you have to answer all these questions and do let us know your answer in the comment section, right? So first of all, we'll discuss about the Wimbledon 2021. It is basically a Grand Slam title played for the game. Name of the game is also asked, like Wimbledon is a very important event. For which game? So it is a game of tennis, right? This year it was held in London. Always, and so let's begin with the players who won this particular title. So women's single title is won by Ashley Barty. She hails from Australia. This is very important, beating the Carolina Pliskova. Okay, and the men's single title was won by Novak Djokovic, and he's from Serbia, beating Matteo Berrettini, right? She is your Ashley Barty, and he is your Novak Djokovic. So important takeaway from this particular slide is, first is Ashley Barty, she won the women's single title, and second is your Novak Djokovic, he won the men's single title, and this event is known as Wimbledon 2021. Next is your US Open 2021. It is also important. So this time it was 141st edition of the game. This game was held in New York City in this particular ground, right? So the men's singles title won by Daniel Medvedev. He's from Russia, and the runner-up is your Novak Djokovic. He's from Serbia. This is the person who won this US Open men's single title, right? The women's single title winner is Emma Raducanu. She's from UK. She is very important. This time I'm highly expecting this question because she is the only woman who won Grand Slam from UK after 1977. Okay, so this question is very important. Do remember this. So let's begin with the men's double. So Rajiv Ram and Joe Salisbury won this particular title, men's double. I don't think so UPSC will ask this particular question, right? Because they mainly focus on the men's single. Who will remember all these names in doubles? So if you have time, you can just remember the names, or you can just leave it, right? And the important fact which may be asked from US Open 2021 is Serena and Venus Williams withdraw from the US Open due to injuries. So there might be a question, which player withdraw from the US Open due to injuries? So Serena and Venus Williams, right? So next news is directly from the sports section, which is your R. Raja Ritvik, health from Telangana state, has become the India's 70th and the newest chess grandmasters. Okay, so you have to remember its name and which number, 70th number. Chaliye. Next is your Pankaj Advani has won Asian Snooker Championship 2020-21 at Al Masila in Doha, Qatar. Okay, so you should remember the name of the Qatar event held in the Qatar. Next is your United States has won the 2021 Ryder Cup, which is a biennial men's golf competition. Then next news is India to host 2026 World Badminton Championship. It is very important. You have to remember it's 2026. Okay. The next is Indian footballer Sunil Chhetri has surpassed Argentina's global superstar Lionel Messi to become the second highest active international goal scorer with 74 strikes. Next is your F1 Grand Prix. Grand Prix guys बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट आपके होते हैं, आपको याद रखना है. मेनली एक चीज आप ये याद रखना, अभी तक जितने भी इवेंट्स होते थे, मेजोरिटी ऑफ द इवेंट्स के अंदर लुइस हैमिल्टन जो है ही ऑलवेज विन, बट दिस टाइम इन डच ग्रैंड प्रिक्स 2021 मैक्स वर्स्टैपन won this event. In Italian Grand Prix 2021 Daniel Ricciardo he won, and in Russian Grand Prix Lewis Hamilton won. So you can remember these names. Okay, just remember Lewis Hamilton won the Russian Grand Prix and other two won this Dutch and Italian Grand Prix. Next is your another sports event, which is your Ostrava Open. Okay, this is a tennis tournament basically meant for the women players only. Okay, female professional tennis players only, and this event held in Czech Republic. Okay, another news is WACO India Kickboxing Federation gets government recognition as National Sports Federation. This question might come in exam. So who are the winner in Ostrava Open? So in the singles, Annette Kontaveit win, right? You just remember the name. She's from the Estonia. And in doubles, Sania Mirza and Zhang Suhai won in the doubles. So this is important as she belongs to India. So this question might ask in the exam, right? Ostrava Open. Next is your Euro 2021. Okay, just a second. Yeah. So Euro 2020 final match. This was supposed to be held in 2020, but due to COVID-19, this event held in 2021. Okay. So Italy was the winner, and the runner-up is your England. So question might be asked, who is the winner of Euro 2020? So Italy is the correct answer, and runner-up is your England, right? Leave it for real. UEFA Euro 2020. And the another two facts which are very important from Euro 2020 is Golden Boot Award. This was given to Cristiano Ronaldo. He is also very important. Question for you is, Cristiano Ronaldo belongs to which country? You have to comment in the comment section. He belongs to which country, right? And Euro 2020 player of the tournament is Gianluigi Donnarumma. Okay, is the person, is the player of the tournament. So both are important. Just remember the names. Next is your French Open tennis tournament 2021. Men's single title won by Novak Djokovic. He's from Serbia. Women's single is Barbora Krejcikova. She's from Czech Republic. And withdrawal was from Roger Federer, Switzerland, and Naomi Osaka, Japan. This question came in your CAPF-AC 2021 examination. Which player withdrew from the French Open tennis tournament? She withdrew from the tennis open tournament, and this question came in your CAPF 2021 examination due to some mental health issues, I think. So let's begin with the questions. First question is your Lewis Hamilton won his 100th title in which game? Italy Grand Prix, Dutch Grand Prix, Russian Grand Prix, and France Grand Prix. You have 2 seconds to answer this question. Just comment down your answer. So the correct answer for this question will be, guys, your Russian Grand Prix. This is the person Lewis Hamilton, very important. He always win, but अभी के जो इवेंट हुए हैं उनमें शायद ये नहीं जीते हैं. So next question is, who won the women's single title in the Wimbledon 2021? First option is your Serena Williams, second is your Ashley Barty, third is your Naomi Osaka, and fourth is your Venus Williams, right? You have 2 seconds to answer this question. Correct answer for this question is your Ashley Barty. She is an Australian tennis player. You have to remember the country name also. She's from the Australia, and this might be asked in your exam. Next is Pankaj Advani has won Asian Snooker Championship 2021 held in Qatar, UAE, South Korea, and Dubai. So the correct answer for this question is your Qatar. You should remember this name. Okay, this question might be asked. Next is your Daniel Medvedev, Russian player, won which tournament? US Open, Wimbledon, French, and Australian Open. You have to answer this question. You have 2 seconds time. Just take your time and comment down your answer. So the correct answer for this question is your US Open. This is your Daniel Medvedev, and he's your Novak Djokovic. He won the match, and he's the runner-up in this event, US Open. Next is here, which country won Euro 2020 event? Options are UK, Italy, France and Spain. ये थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन में आंसर लिखा गया बट ये गलत है, इसको आपको नहीं फोकस करना है। इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा इटली, राइट। पिछली स्लाइड को आप इग्नोर कर सकते हो। यूरो 2020 का जो मैच हुआ था वो जीता है फाइनल आपने आपका इटली ने, ठीक है। एंड ये दो आपके फैक्ट मैंने आपको बताए थे, आपको याद रखने हैं। नेक्स्ट है 2020-26 आएगा यहाँ पे। वन बैडमिंटन चैंपियनशिप, वर्ल्ड बैडमिंटन चैंपियनशिप विल बी होस्टेड बाय विच कंट्री? ऑप्शंस आर इंडिया, यूके, फ्रांस एंड स्पेन। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा इंडिया। इंडिया जो है 2026 का जो इवेंट है आपका उसको होस्ट करेगा, ठीक है। 2026 आएगा यहाँ पे। एंड 2021 का जो है हुएला में होगा और 2022 का जो है वो टोक्यो के अंदर होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, हुएला जो है वो किस कंट्री में है, ठीक है। ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताना है। नेक्स्ट इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 57, विच प्लेयर्स वन ओस्ट्रावा ओपन डबल्स? सिंगल नाम मैंने इसमें डाला है। ए ऑप्शन सानिया नेहवाल, बी ऑप्शन सानिया मिर्जा, सी ऑप्शन सेरेना विलियम्स, डी ऑप्शन मारिया शरापोवा। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका सानिया मिर्जा। अलोंग विद सानिया मिर्जा, Zhang Shuai also won this particular title. So winner are India and China, right? So this is the last question from today's video. Who won women's single title? Just a second. In the US Open, right? We'll correct all these slides and then only we will give you the slide. US Open में जो सिंगल टाइटल किसने जीता है? एमा, सानिया मिर्जा, सेरेना विलियम्स, मारिया शरापोवा. So the winner is your Emma Raducanu. Okay. And she's a very intelligent player and she won this particular title this year after a very long period of time, right? You can see last title was won by UK in 1977, so it's being more than 23 and 21, okay, 44 years almost, right? So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Bharat. Please do like the video. If you like the video, share with your friends and do subscribe to Study Funda. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.